Welcome, in front of me is Dell Latitude 5400 and in this video I'll show you how to open on-screen keyboard on this laptop. To enable on-screen keyboard you have to use 3 keys combination: Windows, Ctrl, O. Of course, if you have access to your physical keyboard or if you have an external keyboard connected to your device. This way you will open the on-screen keyboard on your screen. This keyboard can be moved along your screen. You can reshape or resize it by moving the sides and the corners. In this keyboard version you have both the primary keys and the numpad on the right side. To open it from settings you have to go to the start menu, settings, scroll down to accessibility. In accessibility select keyboard. Then to enable on-screen keyboard, switch this toggle to the right. And this way you will open the very same on-screen keyboard on your screen. Now, if you want to have access to your on-screen keyboard all the time without the need to access settings, you can go to personalization, scroll down to taskbar, open this menu, find the touch keyboard feature and change this value to always. This way, the new icon will appear on your status bar. If you click on it, you will open the touch keyboard on your screen that you can use just like a previous one, except for you cannot move it along the screen and you cannot reshape or resize it, and it doesn't have a numpad, but still it is very convenient to use in case you need a quick access to an on-screen keyboard. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.